One of the biggest developments in modern investigations is the use of generative AI, or Gen AI. Rather than replacing investigators, Gen AI serves as a powerful assistant that helps process enormous amounts of information much faster than any human could. As organizations generate more emails, documents, chat messages, videos, and digital records than ever before, AI helps investigators find the important information quickly, so they can focus on analysis and decision-making. Today's leading AI models, such as GPT, Claude, and Gemini, are capable of understanding and analyzing not only text, but also images, audio, video, and even computer code. While each model has different strengths, they all share the same goal: helping investigators work more efficiently by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. One of the most valuable uses of Gen AI is document review. Instead of reading thousands of emails or hundreds of lengthy reports one by one, investigators can use AI to summarize documents, classify them into categories, and highlight the most relevant information. This dramatically reduces review time while making it easier to identify important evidence. Gen AI is also highly effective at extracting information from unstructured data. It can identify names, dates, addresses, bank account numbers, passport numbers, and other key information buried within large collections of documents. It can also organize that information into structured formats that are much easier to analyze. Another important capability is pattern identification. AI can quickly search for unusual activities, repeated keywords, suspicious communication patterns, or documents that were created or modified outside normal business hours. In workplace investigations, it can even perform sentiment analysis, helping investigators identify potentially hostile, threatening, or inappropriate communications that may indicate harassment, retaliation, or other workplace misconduct. Beyond text analysis, Gen AI can assist with optical character recognition, or OCR, by extracting readable text from poor-quality scans, photographs, or even handwritten notes. It can also analyze images, identify signatures or handwriting, and help investigators review evidence that would otherwise require hours of manual work. Some organizations are even using AI to monitor communications for potential policy violations, such as detecting language that may indicate bribery, fraud, or conflicts of interest. Despite these impressive capabilities, AI is still only a tool. It does not replace professional judgment, investigative experience, or critical thinking. AI can misunderstand context, generate false positives, or overlook cultural and interpersonal factors that are essential in workplace investigations. It may identify unusual patterns, but it cannot determine intent, assess witness credibility, or make fair disciplinary decisions. For that reason, investigators should always view Gen AI as an assistant, not the investigator. Every AI-generated finding must be verified, interpreted, and supported by independent evidence before any conclusions are reached. The investigator, not the AI, is ultimately responsible for the quality, fairness, and defensibility of the investigation. When used responsibly, generative AI becomes a tremendous force multiplier. It helps investigators review evidence more quickly, identify hidden patterns, and focus their time on higher-value analysis. Combined with sound investigative techniques and human judgment, AI enables investigators to work faster, smarter, and more effectively, while maintaining the objectivity and integrity that every professional investigation requires.